You still struggling with video editing? I need you to stop right now. Stop wasting time. In this video, I'm revealing one powerful AI tool that makes complex editing very simple. It's not just an upgrade, but a total game changer. Get ready to record, enhance, and edit your video like a pro today. Even if you've never touched editing software before, no skill, no stress, just pure AI simplicity. By the way, this entire video you're watching right now was made using this simple app I'm about to show you. Everything from recording to voice cleaning to export, all done inside one app. Before we begin, go to your Play Store and download Vmake AI. Once it is installed on your phone, open the app and sign up. Make sure to verify your email and then you're ready. Step 2. When you open the Vmake AI, go to the Record tab. You don't need to choose a camera. Vmake automatically connects your device. It uses your phone mic and your phone camera, so you can start recording right away. If you got an external mic, that's fine, but it's optional. And if you already have a script, turn on the teleprompter. This will help keep your eyes on the lens, so you can look natural and confident while speaking. Quick note, if this is helping you so far, please hit the subscribe button. I share beginner-friendly tools like this to help you create better videos that helps you to kickstart your YouTube channel without stress. Step 3. Before you hit record, you need to switch on your enhance features. That's where Vmake video magic happens. Inside the enhance, you have filter, you have retouch, and adjust. Filter gives your video that perfect mood, and retouch, it smoothens your skin, just like you see mine right now. It helps you to polish your skin just for the camera. The adjust button fixes your lighting and the brightness in real time. So instead of fixing things later, Vmake enhances your video before you even get started. Step 4. Now you're ready to record. Hit the record icon. You can pause between lines to keep your flow natural. Just tap the record button to pause and to continue. Every clip you make saves automatically, so you never loses any progress. And when you're done, Vmake merges all of these clips into one smooth video, ready to save into your device. And step 4, this is where the edits begin. This time around, you need to return back to the dashboard. Click on the plus button and import the video that you just made. Once the title is done processing, open the trim feature. This is where Vmake helps you to remove all the filler words, the repetitive parts, and all the unwanted pauses. Here, there's no manual dragging. Vmake just smart trim your videos. Tight, smooth, and professional, all without stress. And step 6, it is time for us to clean out your audio. Here, we have 2 parts. We clean out all the background noise, and secondly, it enhances your voice and balances your tone. You can do this by just clicking on the noise reducer and it cleans out all the noise inside your video. Next, it is time to clean out the sound in your voice. I love this part so much. This is because if you already follow me from day one, you understand that I speak as though something is covering my nose. Here, all you need to do is just apply the nasal reduction and then you have a clear audio. If you do not want to use that, just go ahead and choose every other options that applies to your kind of video. This way, you have a very clean sound and with no background noise in your video. And this is why I said you do not need a mic. Vmake AI helps to smoothen out your voice, regardless of whether your voice was far behind or whether it is too loud. It helps to balance the tone and make you sound like a pro. Step 7. This is where we just add a little bit of finishing touches. You can layer sound effects, the transition, and ambient sound. Vmake has features like transition, sound effect, and ambient sound. These are those some small finishing touches that makes your video look and feel cinematic, and Vmake makes it effortless. After you are done with all of this, Review your video, watch it from the beginning to the end. And if you're satisfied with what you see, it is time for you to export. Just tap on the Save button. Choose your quality. If you're using the free version, only 1080p is the HD quality that is available to you, but it's still okay. But that still look amazing. In fact, it is what I am using right now. After you choose, just go ahead and export your video. Your video is ready to be uploaded. And that's it. Your video is ready for upload. If you're tired of spending hours editing, Vmake makes it very easy for you. Give it a try. It's fast and clean, and it makes you look just like a pro instantly. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to show you other features and how they work. And if there's any other AI editing that you want me to make a tutorial about, put it in the comment section and I'll read and respond to you. I'll see you again in our next video. Bye.